to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are heading to another island here in Cebu. Can you guess where we're going? Yep, Camotes Island. The weather is perfect. And now it's time for us to board. It's our first time to go to Camotes Island. Breakfast on board? So we are going from this island to that island. Is it far? It's a 2-hour travel from Danao Port to Camotes Port.
The weather is really very beautiful and the ocean is calm. Ug sa dihang gikapoy si mother. We're almost there. And we're here! Welcome to Camotes Island.
Let's wait for Xander to come out.
There goes our beautiful car. Tara, sugdan na nato ang paglaag-laag. What a warm welcome from the locals. Just kidding. Tawi, maglaag na ta. And our first stop is the Paraiso Cave. By the way, please do not navigate or use Google Map. Kay masaag ka mo. Tara, let's go inside the cave.
At first, medyo mahadlok ka, no? Because the opening is very small. Ug nauna pagsulod ang higante na ako nga papa. I just learned that Camotes, by the way, is called as the Lost Horizon of the South. And once you are inside the cave, this is what's waiting for you. Camotes Island is just so blessed to have a lot of caves. And Paraiso Cave is just one of the many. This is the view from the outside of the cave. And since pictorial lemonade, let's head to our next destination. Pauhana. We checked in first to our room and immediately headed to Santiago White Beach. Enjoy the view! Pasaka na ang water, so they decided to stop. These two decided to play volleyball. And then our next destination is the exact opposite of what we saw in Bantayan Island. Kung na ay Camp Sawi, napoy Camp Wagi. And then we decided to meet Cardo. But before that, I met these beautiful princesses. So, we are now heading to Cardo's house. And after that, we went back to our place. We stopped by this restaurant to have dinner. Halo-halo for dessert. The following day, we headed back to Cardo's place for breakfast. And then we immediately headed to Lake Danao. And these three brave people tried the zip line. Mati Patuti was for sure very scared. Watch them go! After Lake Danao, we headed to another cave. It's called the Heaven Cave. The caves in Camotes are underground, unlike what we see in books or in movies. Kay diba usually ingon ani ang cave, no? Fortunately, Papa is sick, so we need to head back home immediately. We took the next trip. Look how tired they are. And that concludes our Camotes trip. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.